In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple pages at once in Notion. This can be really helpful if your workspace has become cluttered with old notes, test pages, or projects you no longer need, and you want to clean things up quickly and efficiently. First, open Notion and navigate to the area where your pages are listed. This might be in your sidebar, a database, or a specific section where you've organized your content. Make sure you're in the view that shows all the pages you want to remove, so you can manage them in one place. Next, look for the More option. Depending on your layout, this could appear as 3 dots, a small drop-down, or a text button that expands additional options. Go ahead and click on More to reveal extra controls for managing your pages. Now you're ready to select the pages you want to delete. Carefully highlight the pages you no longer need. In many layouts, you can do this by clicking once on a page to select it, then holding down the appropriate key on your keyboard, like Shift or Control, to select additional pages. The idea is to make sure all the pages you want to delete are highlighted at the same time. Take a moment here to double check your selection. Once these pages are deleted and moved to the trash, they'll be out of your main workspace, so you want to be confident you're not including anything important by mistake. With your pages highlighted, look for the delete icon above your list of pages. This is often represented by a trash can symbol or something similar. Click on that delete icon. Notion will recognize that you've selected multiple pages and will apply the delete action to all of them at once. This is what makes the process so much faster than deleting each page individually. After clicking the delete icon, those pages aren't completely gone yet. They have been marked for removal and are ready to be moved out of your active workspace. To finish the process, click on Move to Trash. This step confirms that you really want to remove these pages from your main view and sends them to your trash area in Notion. Once you've done that, your selected pages will be in the trash, and your workspace should look much cleaner and more organized. If you realize you deleted something by accident, you can visit your trash in Notion and restore it, as long as it hasn't been permanently removed yet.